Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to save a web page as PDF on iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to export or save a whole website as PDF. First of all, open a browser and open the website that you want to export as PDF. Now all you have to take a screenshot of the web page. So press your power button and volume up button at the same time to capture a screenshot. Now tap on the screenshot and here select full page. And now as you can see, I've successfully converted my web full page to a PDF. Now it's time to save it. So tap on done and tap on save PDF to files. And now select a folder where you want to save or export. Then tap on save and that's it. Now go to your files app and just go to the download folder where you just saved the PDF, and here we can see the PDF. So this is how we can easily save a web page as PDF on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.